today's episode is gonna have a lot of greens because I'm showing you how to make classic creamed spinach. I'm gonna be making one portion here. Chop up 100 grams of spinach. No need to make it fine, just so it won't be in giant leaves. Should be similar size to what I have here. Then melt a spoonful of butter or margarine into a pan. I used margarine here because it has less saturated fats and thus is a big help. Then just dump all of your spinach into the pan. I actually missed the pan a bit here, but no problem. Don't forget to cover it. Turn your heat to a medium-low and let it simmer, mixing periodically. Add in a clove of crushed garlic, high spoon. Put in a tablespoon of flour. And then pour in 60 milliliters of milk or heavy cream. However, you might need to add more later. Just put in as much milk as the spinach can absorb and try to mop it up as best as you can. And last but not least, add some salt and pepper to taste. This batch ended up with not enough peppers, for example, so just try to experiment and see how you like it. Finally, put it on a plate, and it's done! Delicious, classic steakhouse-style creamed spinach. In my opinion, the best way to get your greens in. If you want more vids like these, subscribe and let me know in the comments what would you like me to make next. With that said, goodbye and have an awesome day.